Ow. Alright, for today's video, kind of a quick down and dirty one. It's going to be on the Z28 today, and this process applies to all third gens Camaros, third gen Firebirds, any F-body. It's all the same. If you have one of these cars, you know that at some point in time, these hoods are fairly heavy, your hood starts to wear out. Even if the hood is light, the hood starts to wear out because these cars are going on 4 decades old at this point in time. So, to do it, all you're going to need is a flat blade screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and you will need a trusty stick or board or a helper to hold up the hood as you go and do this. So you have a clip down here at the bottom, and then up here at the top you have these little clips that sandwich around the little Christmas tree type deal on the bracket on the hood. This end is the biggest hassle. Okay, so the bottom end's pretty easy. This end will be where your troubles come from, but I'm going to show you what you do. And my kid, who likes to play in my garage, every time he does, breaks something.
It's broken.
The last thing he broke was my tripod. So I'm going to try and set you here, and hopefully you'll be able to see it as I do it. Anyways, screwdriver down here at the clip on the bottom. All you do is kind of spread it apart, open it up, slide right off. That's what the clip looks like. Save it. You're going to use it again. Pop that off. Now this is where you may struggle just a bit with this clip here. You got to kind of get underneath the bracket or the clip on here and spread it out enough so that you can roll it over the top of the bracket on the hood. You get that one side done, and now you got to try and hold it in place as you go to pry up this other side enough to pop that over top. There you go. So if you look right here, you're taking your screwdriver, pushing it underneath and prying up on this tab. I'm assuming right there. Yeah, right here. Prying up on the tab, buying some space, and then you rotate it so it gets up over the lip here on the bracket. Okay, so now I already replaced these, so I don't have any new ones or part numbers for you, but keep in mind, if you're going to replace these cars came with either a steel hood or fiberglass hoods. Okay, different part numbers for different struts. The fiberglass ones are less strong, for lack of a better word. So if you put the steel hood struts on your car with a fiberglass hood, you're going to shut your hood, you're going to snap your hood in half. So make sure you get the correct part number when you order it. So now to put this back on, or to put the new one on, you just take it, reverse of what you did. Make sure that these tabs are facing into the engine bay so you can replace it in the future. Just put it on, push it in and lock it, take the bottom, slide that on, then you have your clip, and you can do this with your hand. You don't really have to use the tool. And just kind of slide it into place. I get my fingers out of my own way. As I say that, I get it stuck in my finger. So there you go. You just push right on there, it locks itself back in. So that's how you do it. Realistically, it should take you no more than 5 minutes to get both sides done. Just make sure you get the correct part number, get the steel for the steel hoods, get the fiberglass for the fiberglass hoods. Alright, that'll be how you do it. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.